the Tower of Tickets.
Oh,
It is a Tower of Tickets. Not really, actually. I guess like the...
I guess they kind of look like towers.
Yeah. Alright. There's a lot of people who played this, like Matt and stuff, and they seem to win like somewhat easily, so we're gonna try it here. I don't know which one I should go for. Let's go for this. Oh.
Ooh.
I gotta like adjust to the speed, you know?
How much is this per play? 3.7 or 4.1?
That's not bad. Oh yeah, 4.1. I wonder what you have to do to be, we should become VIP. We play here like enough.
Right?
Alright. Let's try for that one right there, because we can move both of them.
Oh my gosh, that was close.
That was really close. Bag. Wait, where did that 750 go?
750?
That one?
Oh. Dang.
Honestly, the smaller ones seem harder, so I don't get why.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. Let's try this. At 1,000, that's 300. Oh. So,
wow.
Okay. I'm getting the feel for it. Oh, dang it, I'm always too early.
Right on the edge.
Alright, go for that one. Is there a timer on this? I hope not.
Probably not. Come on. Oh, are you freaking kidding me?
It's like
literally right here.
And it does it every time. It's so easy to get like addicted to this game because of that.
Baloney.
Oh, even 150. Yeah. There's 1,000 and there's 1,000. I should probably go for that one.
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, frick.
I like how like my body just like tenses up.
Oh. Doing the nay. Fall down the stairs.
Alright, screw it. Alright. How to win from
that is so close.
How to win from a crane machine when you don't have the skill. Oh my god. Wait, I want to Snapchat. Oh my god, oh my god. Yeah. Nice.
I almost just sprained my wrist.
Oh my god. Still worth it. Nice. It was worth it though, yeah?
Nice.
Good job.
Did you get that on film?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah.
All my YouTube subscribers are gonna like unsubscribe now.
Okay. It's a weird shape, but I don't know. It's gonna be like the end. I think that looks pretty good. Let me try that.
Oh, you know what?
Oh, come on, baby.
Oh,
that was close.
Flipped it over.
Try to go for like this part.
Yeah.
It's gonna be close. Oh, I hit something. Come on.
Oh, it always picks it up and drops it.
Yeah, it's so close. Alright.